So, hello everyone. Today we are going to see Suno AI. So, it is basically an AI powered music generation platform that creates complete songs from simple text prompt. Instead of spending like hours composing melodies, writing lyrics, recording vocals, and mixing tracks, we can simply describe the music we want and it will generate automatically. Whether we need pop song, rap track, cinematic soundtrack, lofi beat, or anything, or even a Bollywood style song, it can generate the music in minutes. So it combines advanced AI language models without generating technologies, without sorry, it combines advanced AI models with music generation technology to produce both lyrics and audio together. So how does it work? So like we enter prompt, Suno AI analyzes the style, mood, genre, and theme. AI generates lyrics and AI compose melody and instrument arrangements. AI create realistic vocals. The final song is generated and ready to listen, download, and share. So, what some key features of Suno AI like text to music generation, AI lyrics generation, AI vocals, multiple genres like pop, rock, hip hop, rap, EDM, etc. Custom lyrics mode, instrumental generation, song song extension like continue an existing song and generate additional sections. So like you will be thinking who is for it? It is for content creator, YouTubers, marketers, musicians, game developer, podcasters, students. It is for everyone. So let's see an example. Uh, it's a pop song. Here we are asking Suno to create a motivational pop song. Notice how we only need a short description and the AI will handle the lyrics, vocals, and production automatically. So let's create it. So let's wait for it to be complete. It will create four variations like two for normal model and two for their flagship models. There are many things like we can remix it and we also have an studio option that is for their paid users to do modifications in their songs. There is also an advanced option like we can also upload the lyrics what we want. We can have it only instrumental and we can write a prompt for a lyrics. We can also upload our inspiration like a song we are inspired from. We can also upload our own voice so that it can generate song in our voice. More options like vocal gender, weirdness, style influence. Yeah, there are many things to modify. Let's see this version that's yeah, this one is free version.
Woke up with a spark in my chest, a list of fears and a big yes. Paper plans on my mirror frame. Still, I say your name. I got my
to listen. It's not looking like a generated by AI. So let's explore the other generation like this. You can explore other people generations, and they will be ranking. They can like our generation. They can comment our
Looking at yeah, spinning on the inside, freezing on the cold side. Hit it down, down. I just want to scream and shout. Why are you afraid? Slowing down, stare to my face. Shut me out.
Yeah, these are all created by other user. Like it's very good platform to use and generate music. Like if we just want to explore, we want to generate our own music, we can use this platform for generation. Like we see, it's very easy to use, no production skills required, fast song generation, multiple genres supported, and many more. But the limitation are limited free generation, less control than professional music software, complex musical uh, arrangement may require editing, and generated song may not always match the expectation perfectly. So, for conclusion, Suno AI is changing how music is created by allowing anyone to generate complete song using simple text prompt. Whether we are a content creator, marketer, student, or anyone, it makes music creation faster and more accessible than even before. Thank you for